Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to learn how to draw the graph of linear equations in two variables. That is, we have to solve our exercise number 3.3, and it is question number 1, that is draw the graph of the each of the following linear equations in two variables. We have to learn how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. Let us see for the equation first, that is x plus y equal to 4. Our given equation is x plus y equal to 4. Now we will first find the solution of this equation. At least we have to find three solutions, that is values of x and y. Now for this we will rearrange the terms in such a way that we will get a variable on the left hand side and the other terms on the right hand side, in such a way that we will transpose y to the right hand side. We will get x equal to 4 minus y. So where here we got x on the left hand side only and other terms on the right hand side, so we got x as a dependent variable and y as an independent variable. So x depends upon y for its values. If y can assume a value, then x will assume this the value that depends upon y. Since y can assume any value, any real number value, so there can be infinite number of value that y can assume, and similarly x will have infinite number of values. So a linear equation in two variables will have infinite number of solutions. Now let us suppose y equal to 0. If we put y equal to 0 in this equation, first we will get x equal to 4 minus 0, that is x equal to 4. So for a value of y we will get a value of x. For y equal to 0 we got x equal to 4. So we will record these values in a value table. In this way, in the first row we will write values of x, and in the second row we will write values of y. So we have got 4 0 x 4 and y 0 in the first instant. In the second value, as a second value, we'll put y equal to 1 in the equation. First we will get a value for x, that is x equal to 4 minus 1. We got x equal to 3. So another set of values will be 3 1, then one value for x and another value for y, x3 and y1. And if we put y equal to 2 in the equation, first we will get x equal to 4 minus 2, that is we will get x equal to 2. So x is equal to y equal to 2. We will record these in the value table as in this way. So now we will plot these points in a Cartesian plane. We have learned it in the coordinate geometry, how to plot points in a Cartesian plane. Now let's first plot the points in a Cartesian plane. Now let's plot these points. That is, one point is 4 0. 4 0 will be a point on the x-axis because its y coordinate is 0, so it will lie over here on the x-axis. Another point is 3 1, that is x3 and y1 will be a point in this first quadrant. And another point is 2 2, that is x2 and y2 will be a point over here in the first quadrant. Now if we join these pointers, we get a line. So we get this line. If we join these pointers, that is 4 0 3 1 and 3 2 2, that is, if we join these pointers we will get a straight line. So this straight line will be the graph of x plus y equal to 4 of a linear equation in two variables. So we saw that the linear equation in two variables, a linear equation in two variables will represent a line. So graphical representation of linear equation in two variables is a straight line passing through its solutions. So we know that a line will has infinite number of points on it. So every point on a line will represent a solution of the linear equation in two variables. So a linear equation has infinite number of solutions, and is represented by a straight line. So this is whole about the graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. Similarly, we can draw the graphs of any linear equation in two variables in our exercise. So this is whole about the graphical representation of linear equation in two